Hello everyone, welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen, and today I'll be preparing Navratri special Sabudana Vada. Sabudana or tapioca pearl is made by crushing the roots of tapioca plant to extract juice, which is then turned into paste and ultimately formed into tiny balls that have a pearl-like appearance. Sabudana vada are fried or baked fritters, and eating them allows you to follow your fasting diet rules as well as satiate your snack cravings. So, let's get started. Wash the sabudana or tapioca pearls around 3 to 4 times to clean the sabudana as well as to wash away its remaining starch. Transfer them to a bowl and add water to soak it. As sabudana absorbs water and increases its size, the water level should at least be half to 1 inch above the sabudana level. Soak it for 4 to 5 hours minimum. You can also soak it overnight. Take a pan and dry roast cumin seeds on low to medium flame for 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and let it cool, then transfer to mortar and pestle and roughly crush it. Then keep aside for later use. Use the colander to drain the water. Transfer the sabudana to a large bowl and add boiled and mashed potato, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, ginger paste, lemon juice, rock salt, red chili powder, and mix it well to get a homogeneous mixture. At the end, add the crushed cumin powder and mix well. To shape the vada, apply water to your hands and take 1 to 2 teaspoons of sabudana mixture, form a round ball and slightly press to flatten them. Prepare all the vadas and keep aside. Sabudana vada can be prepared by frying as well as baking. To bake the sabudana vada, preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Then take a baking tray and place a baking sheet over it and brush some oil on the baking sheet. Now place the vada on them and brush oil on the vada. Place the tray in the oven and bake for 20 to 30 minutes. Flip the vada after 15 minutes and brush oil over it so that it's cooked properly on both sides. To fry the sabudana vada, take a pan or kadai and add enough oil to shallow fry the vada. Once the oil is hot, add the vada and fry them on low to medium flame till it turns golden brown on both sides. Once it turns golden brown on both the sides, remove it and keep on paper towel. This is the baked vada, lighter in shade, and this is the fried vada. Baked sabudana is soft both inside and outside, and fried sabudana is crispier on outside and soft inside, but taste-wise, both are same. Serve the sabudana with a cup of hot tea and some green chutney, the videos for which are linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel.